I've only been here a couple of hours. I'm really happy with the calibre of people we've met. Already within the first 2 hours I've met two high calibre people that I believe are going to be great in taking our business forward into the next couple of years, just through first of all the knowledge they have, but also the people they're aware of and the contacts they can help us make.
Oh, don't hesitate, without a doubt, just run. Just do it straight away. It's been the best program that I've done because it incorporates not just marketing, it's about business and asset protection. It is about how you package your business to ultimately sell it and how to market it. Look at different exit strategy, branding, marketing, sales, gross sales, everything, all elements of business is phenomenal. And how to structure your business from the day one on how to build a company or a corporate structure, which is critical.
Good.
So don't hesitate, just go for it, do it. It's the best program I've done.
Yeah, the great thing about Rich Business is whether you're just about to start a business, you're thinking about it, or you've already gone through that process of getting it ready right now, or you're a long way down the track, you've raised capital, you've expanded your business and you're getting ready for a trade sale, Rich Business gives you a toolbox, an absolute plethora of strategies, just untold value in terms of the content that you get here that you can put into action the moment you go away from this weekend. Money in the bank, Rich Business.